I start by drawing abstract shapes based on plants and beach theme, and color them based on the available colored sheet. Darken the drawings to trace directly on it. The shapes, but stop at the edge. Use a blade knife to cut the edges to avoid breaking the plastic. I wasn't patient enough and broke the sides when cutting the small hole. Erase all the pencil markings. Punch 2 holes on the top and bottom and they are ready to shrink. Seal them with resin. And maybe add a little shiny glitters. Place it under the sun to dry them out. Cut a long fishing line and tie a knot. Space out each piece according to your layout. Loop twice to attach each piece. Use acrylic to paint extra details. They make my room look super cute and happy. See you next time!